Hello, my dear students. I hope you're doing fine at home. My name is Miss Camila, and today we're going to learn about sentences using means of transport, Part 2. The objective is to identify use and form of negative sentences using means of transport. First of all, we're going to remember about personal pronouns. In English, we know that we have all these personal pronouns, I, you, we, they, he, she, it, and also we know the meaning of these personal pronouns in Spanish. I will mean yo, you, tú, ustedes, we, nosotros, nosotras, they, ellos, ellas, he, él, she, ella, and it, eso. And also we know that we're going to identify those pronouns with this icon. Next, we need to talk about auxiliaries. These words are going to help us to create the negative sentence using means of transport. In this case, we have two types of auxiliaries, do and does. Do is going to be used with the pronouns I, you, we, and they, and does is going to be used with the pronouns he, she, it. Entonces, para hacer la oración negativa, vamos a utilizar unas palabras que se llaman auxiliares. Como lo dice la palabra, estas palabras auxilian o ayudan a que se forme la oración negativa. En este caso hay dos tipos, you y does. Y cada uno va a funcionar con ese grupo de pronombres que se muestra en el PPT. Now we're going to see some examples of negative sentences using means of transport. And first of all, we're going to see how to create them following this structure. So first of all, we're going to begin with the personal pronoun. Next, we're going to use any of the auxiliaries that we saw before. Next, we're going to use the word not, that means negation. Vamos a utilizar la palabra not, que significa negación. Next, we're going to use two words in all sentences. All negative sentences we're going to use go by. En todas las oraciones negativas vamos a utilizar go by. No va a importar el pronombre que ocupemos, sino que en todas vamos a utilizar go by. And finally, we need to use any mean of transport. So we have sentences like the following. I do not go by train. Yo no voy en tren. She does not go by helicopter. Ella no va en helicóptero. They do not go by ship. Ellos no van en barco. Now we're going to see some negative sentences using means of transport and images. So first of all, we're going to take a look at the image. In order to write the positive sentence, as we saw before, we need to identify the pronoun and the mean of transport that is shown in the image. In this case, the positive sentence will be, they go by car. Como ya habíamos visto antes, tenemos que identificar el pronombre que se muestra en la imagen y también el medio de transporte para poder crear la oración positiva. En este caso sería, ellos van en auto. In order to create the negative sentence, we're going to use the same pronoun. Next, we're going to identify the auxiliary that we use, the word not, the word go by, and finally, and very importantly, we need to change the mean of transport that is shown in the image. Debemos cambiar el medio de transporte que se muestra en la imagen en la oración negativa, porque si utilizamos el mismo, nos estaríamos contradiciendo. Cuando lo vemos en español es un poco más claro esta diferencia. Por ejemplo, la oración positiva dice, ellos van en auto. Si nosotros decimos en la oración negativa, ellos no van en auto, nos estaríamos contradiciendo. Por lo tanto, cuando cambiamos el medio de transporte, hay más coherencia. Y ahí podemos decir, ellos no van en tren. Another example. Take a look at the image. In this case, the positive sentence will be, she goes by bike, because we have the pronoun she and also the mean of transport, bike. The negative sentence in this case will be, she does not go by taxi. Here is the activity. Look at the images carefully. Write the positive and negative sentence using means of transport according to the image. Draw, paint, and write everything on your copybook. Send the activity to our email english.cmhn@gmail.com with your name and grade. If you have any questions about the activity or the contents, remember that you can send us an email and we will answer you as soon as possible. So here's the activity. Remember, you have to draw, paint, and write everything on your copybook, and also write the positive and negative sentence of each image. Take care and stay safe. Bye.